After Volkswagen revised the Polo and Seat did the same for its equivalent Ibiza in recent days, it is now Škoda's turn to tweak the Fabia. While its sister models received a mid-cycle update, the Czech Super Mini is switching to a new generation that finally brings the small hatchback in line with its MQB A0 siblings. The Fabia MK4 is a vast departure compared to its predecessor on all fronts. As expected for a Škoda, it is bigger than its platform-sharing counterparts to enable a spacious interior and best-in-class practicality. It remains a city-oriented car as before, but with the cargo capacity growing by 50 liters to a VW Golf 8 matching 380 liters, the Fabia is now large enough for a weekend getaway. The all-new body is also far sleeker than before, with the drag coefficient dropping from 0.32 to what Škoda says is a segment-leading 0.28 to improve fuel efficiency. The Mini Scala vibe should not come as a big surprise, but Škoda is spicing things up with new orange sunset and graphite gray paints and up to 18-inch wheels. High-end versions of the Fabia will be offered with a contrasting black magic or graphite gray color for the roof, side mirror caps, and the front grille frame. We now have the Škoda Fabia with full LED lights front and rear along with a panoramic glass roof. It also boasts a grille-mounted radar for the safety and assistance systems, plus sensors for park assist that works at up to 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour and takes care of the steering. The interior has been completely redesigned and it too has a strong Scala and Kamiq inspiration. Some would argue it also bears a striking resemblance to the Ibiza's cabin post-facelift, right down to the circular air vents introduced by Seat for the Super Mini's mid-cycle update. The Fabia finally gets the company's 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment up to 9.2 inches in size. Other first-time applications in the Fabia include dual-zone climate control, heated steering wheel, heated windshield, LED ambient lighting, and central air vents for the rear seats. There's also a central armrest in the back that we rarely see in Europe's competitive B hatchback segment. Switching to VW Group's latest underpinnings has brought skin-deep changes, including improvements not visible to the naked eye. We are specifically talking about a quieter cabin after doing aeroacoustic simulations to detect and eliminate noise sources. The engine lineup includes the familiar suspects, kicking off with a naturally aspirated 1-liter gasoline engine with 3 cylinders. It's offered with either 65 or 80 horsepower, and in both cases, it develops 93 Nm of torque channeled to the wheels exclusively through a 5-speed manual gearbox. The base Fabia takes its sweet time hitting 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour, taking 15.5 seconds with the lesser MPI engine before reaching 107 miles per hour or 172 kilometers per hour in 15.1 seconds for the sprint en route to 111 miles per hour or 179 kilometers per hour with the slightly more powerful engine. The flagship Škoda Fabia will see the return of a 4-cylinder engine, a 1.5 TSI with 150 horsepower and 184 pound-feet is seen in the bigger Scala and Octavia. Offered only with the DSG, the bigger powertrain helps the stylish Super Mini complete the sprint in 7.9 seconds and reach a respectable 140 miles per hour or 225 kilometers per hour. The Fabia lost its diesel engine with the 3rd-gen model's facelift and won't be coming back for the MK4. Also missing is any kind of electrification, so those searching for a mild hybrid, full hybrid, or plug-in hybrid setup will have to look elsewhere. The flip side is all gasoline engines are from the Evo family, meaning they are equipped with the latest fuel-sipping tech. Škoda's second best-selling car after the Octavia, the Fabia has racked up more than 4.5 million sales since its launch in 1999. Available initially only as a hatchback, the MK4 will get a wagon version in 2023. In the meantime, the current Fabia MK3 wagon will be sold alongside the revamped hatch.